Next is resistivity. Resistance is directly proportional to length of conductor and resistance is inversely proportional to area of cross section. You give it as equation number 1 and 2, and if you will summarize it, you will get resistance is proportional to L by A. Again, this is the symbol of proportionality. If you will remove this constant, then if you will remove this symbol of proportionality, then a constant will come here. This constant is called rho, RHO rho. It is the symbol of resistivity, whose other name is specific resistance. What is the other name of resistivity? Specific resistance, right? So the formula of resistance, we have a new formula of resistance apart from V upon I. New formula is R is equal to rho into L upon A. And if you want to know the formula of this rho, then this would be R into A by L. Now what is the definition of this resistivity? The other name of resistivity is specific resistance. Definition says it is the product of resistance and area to length of the conductor. Anybody want to see any notes? All notes of each and every chapter are available. You can request it, I'll give it to you. Okay? These are available on my Facebook page as well. You can download it from there as well. We have rho is equal to R into A upon L. Right, this is the formula. Now the definition of resistivity. Definition says that resistivity can be defined as the ratio of product of resistance and area of cross section to length of the conductor. This is the simple definition according to this formula. Now we want to know the unit of this resistivity. You know that the unit of resistance is ohm, unit of area is meter square, and unit of length is meter. Cut this, we'll get the unit of resistivity is ohm meter. I repeat, it's ohm hyphen meter or simply ohm meter. Right? The unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Next we will do some numerical based on it. Example 12.3 and 12.4 given on page number 208 sorry. In NCERT are very easy. I would like to take a two typical examples in front of you, which is example number 12.5 and 12.6. Now we will discuss it. Page number is 208, NCERT, example 12.5. I'm writing page number, everything here, right? It's a very important question based on resistivity. I'm reading question for you. Resistance of a metal wire of length 1 meter is 26 ohm at 20 degrees Celsius. If the diameter of the wire is 0.3 millimeter, what will be the resistivity of metal at that temperature? Using table 12.2, predict the material of the wire. First of all, we will write down all the important data which is given in this question. Length of wire is given to you 1 meter, and the value of resistance. This is a very important question. Resistance value is given to you 26 ohm. Temperature is of no use. Temperature is of no use in this numerical. Please see this diameter of the wire. Diameter of wire is given to us 0.3 millimeter. We have to convert this into meter. 1 meter is equal to how many millimeters? Come on. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Millimeter is a smaller unit. Meter is a bigger unit. If you have to go from smaller to bigger, you have to divide it. So you will write 0.3 upon 1000 meter here. In place of 1000, you can write it 10 raised to the power 3 So it would be 0.3, 10 to the power 3 will come in the numerator, it will be 10 to the power minus 3. So we have diameter, if we will convert this into standard form, diameter is 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. You know wire is circular from the ends and the area of circle is pi r square. We have to calculate area first, because what we have to find out in this question, we have to find out resistivity, that is rho. Resistivity, other name is specific resistance, that we have to find out. Formula for resistivity is R into A upon L, but area is not given to us here. So I am writing a direct formula for you. As I have told you, wire is circular, pi r square, in place of R you write down d by 2. Or you can learn a direct formula, that area is pi d square by 4. First of all, we will calculate area from this. In place of pi, as it is nothing is given in the question, so you will take pi as 22 by 7. You can do this question side by side with me, don't waste time. In place of diameter, you will write 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 whole square by 4. Further you solve it, you will get 22 by 7. Rest are your calculation skills. This is 9 into 10 to the power minus 8 by 4. 2 to the 211. We have area 99 by 14. Don't speak the answer from the book. We have area 99 by 14 into, अभी आंसर नहीं आया, अभी तो हमने मेन, अभी तो बस एरिया कैलकुलेट किया. Area is 99 by 14 into 10 to the power minus 8. Now you will put the value of this area in this resistivity formula. In place of resistance, you can write down 26. In place of area, you can write down 99 by 14 into 10 to the power minus 8. And length was given to you 1 meter. Now you solve it, then you will get your answer. 2 7 the 2 13 the 13 9 the 117 13 9 the 117 1287 by 7 into 10 to the power minus 8. Unit is ohm meter. Further divided, this you will get. Convert this into standard form. You will get 1.838 into 10 to the power minus 6. Point is shifting from right to left. 10 to the power minus 6 ohm meter. And further, if you will round it off, it would be 1.84 into 10 to the power minus 6 ohm meter. And one more thing they have told you, what you can do is, you can see NCERT page number 207, and if you will see, this resistivity is telling with manganese. They have told you which metal resistivity is this. It is of manganese, right? So this is all about this numerical.